Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and here we have a very special device for you. It's from the Redmi, and this time they worked with the Lamborghini squared course match to bring us this special edition smartphone, Redmi Champion Edition. So here are the main stuff inside the box: the Redmi Lamborghini squared course special edition smartphone and its customized case with Lamborghini logo, and also the inside box with accessory box with Lamborghini logo, and also they have a customized charger, 120-watt fast charger for this special edition. So here are the main stuff inside the box, and here is the Lamborghini squared course special edition smartphone, and this time for this device is based on Redmi K70Pro, and this K70Pro Lamborghini squared course edition is inspired from the Lamborghini super racing car Ancestor and SCV12. This is a very famous and attractive appearance racing cars, and also they combined the Y shape, and we can also find the front the design is very simple, as I mentioned, and also they have a customized UI home paper for this special edition smartphone. Even the icon they customize it, and as I mentioned, this device get a very attractive design compared to normal edition, and also but it's based on a Redmi K70Pro, so it uses a Hyper OS, and the ROM support LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0, and it's 1 TB ROM, 24 GB RAM, based on Android 14. And also for screen, they use the TCL 6.67-inch 2K display resolution, C8 material, low consumption screen, and support 120Hz refresh rate, and 100p3 wide range color, and also its display resolution WQHD+. And also this time for this device is used the latest Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor, so it supports 4nm processing technology with 1 big core plus 5 plus 2 core new framework. And this Snapdragon high performance is just like the spirit of Lamborghini, to always continue to pursue the extreme, the same spirit. Also for this time, you get a 5000 big battery with Xiaomi on-developer charging and battery manager chips. Peak brightness 2000 nit. And also for the battery, support 50 megapixel main camera, and it support 100, 800, 950 megapixel portrait, and 12 megapixel wide angle, and 60 megapixel front camera. We're testing the zoom performance of the camera. Yep. Sample pictures. And also about design, I think I forgot to mention, if we go to the back side, the back panel is combined the classical yellow color and the copper fiber camera zoom with a shaped camera zoom, and also the combined Y-shaped classical element from the Lamborghini. And here are the sample pictures. Check it. So here's main stuff inside the books, and this is today's very fast and quick unbox video and more pictures. Let's enjoy it.